So in this video you'll see that we're going to talk about bus lanes and basically using bus lanes when you should use them. So looking at the sign, if it's a bus lane between 6 o'clock in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning and 4 o'clock in the afternoon and 6 o'clock in the afternoon, then you can use it the other times. So it's important to know that. You'll need that for your theory but also your part 2. The reason it's important to use bus lanes when you should is because it can, one, give you advantages, and two, it shows the examiner you know your stuff and that you're willing to take the stuff, to use that stuff to your advantage. So the two examples I have coming up now, the first one is a bus lane that's not a bus lane at the moment, so you should and can use it, but there's cars parked in it. But as we get towards the end of the bus lane, we're going to go in it and then use that to go straight into the lane we want to go straight on at the gyro system. That means we don't have to change lanes. And if there was someone else that was using that bus lane when it's not a bus lane, then we could struggle to get across, particularly if there's a queue at the traffic light. So it's just all about planning ahead. On the second version, same sort of thing. We come around the corner, the bus lane's not in activation, we go into it, and we end up going left at the traffic lights. If we're going straight on at the traffic lights, because it's a reasonably short bus lane, I might well stay in. Sorry, if we're going right at the traffic lights, then I would stay in the right-hand lane, so the one next to the bus lane, and turn right, so I don't have to then change lanes and again potentially get stuck in some traffic that's queuing up. So it's all about awareness, planning, anticipation, particularly when you get onto your part 3 and or when you're teaching learners. All those things will help you a lot. Be aware that if you're using a bus lane and it's not operable, in other words it's outside the times of the buses, other people won't realise that. You'll get bibbed at, you'll get pointed at, etc. Just have a smug look on your face and go straight past them. The first example, we managed to catch it once, literally a minute after it changed times, and there was no one parked in the bus lane, and we went past at least 40 cars, and that's not an exaggeration. So it can be really useful, and it's really good for the examiner to see you planning, awareness, etc. And they would expect learners to use them on a hour test as well, just for your knowledge, if they're not in operation, of course.